more. And he brushed it, and now sanded it, brushed it, brightened it, and now we're sanding it. Whoa. There's no...
Wiping up any excess. Do not go in. It is ultimate stain.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, you want to.
Okay.
Back brushing is what they call it, or back rolling, or whatever. We're just making sure.
Yeah.
Anything that's sitting on top.
Wow.
Yeah, look at it. It's not gonna. It's just gonna be real blotchy and. Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh my god. They're gonna be so happy about it. I would be if this was my percolator. My
percolator?
Yeah.
Percolator.
Oh. I mean purgatory. Purgatory. I would if this was my purgatory. Purgatory-la.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you're still here from part 1 and 2, I salute you. But real quick, I just wanted to touch up on a few things on the staining aspect of it. Notice how when I stain, regardless of what I do with that first pad, I usually come back with a second pad, and that's a back brush or a back roll or a back, however you want to call it. Just know that it's important to do. Yes, look at that result. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You can't beat it. You do it right. If you haven't done so, make sure you watch parts 1 and 2. It'll make sense where we're at on part 3, which is the staining. But this took about 2 days. It should take you the same. Just gotta let the wood dry completely. But once done, you'll have a beautiful product like this. It'll last a long time. It'll keep the water, mold, mildew away. The sunlight, UV rays will be protected, or it'll protect from them. And you should be very pleased with your product, as our customers were. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next project. Wham! Look at that.